Thank you again. Now I'd like to invite a Kashmiri leader. He's a philosopher. He wrote more than 20 books. He was a professor, a teacher for the last 50 years. Please give him big rounds of applause, Mr. Rafiq Bhatti.
In the name of God, the most beneficent, most merciful. This blend of different societies, communities, and cultures makes me happy to see. It's a good opportunity for me to see that in this event, or say at this place, we are joining ourselves because fundamentally we are the progeny of Adam and Eve. There is no difference between you and me. You belong to me, I belong to you. Because fundamentally, we belong to one progeny. That's the Adam and the Eve. So no difference between you and me. And those who create the difference, they are not human beings. We are one, and we will remain one, and we will work together because we have to save our humanity all over the world. And this country, say America, is the country of the countries, is the government of the government. It is a blend of different cultures, different religions, and different communities. So it is honor for me to address you people. I will not take more time of you. So kind of you, everybody sitting here.